Meanwhile, motorists in Metro Manila are bracing for new traffic jams with the start tonight of construction work on Phase 3 of the Skyway that will link the Southern Luzon Expressway to NLEX. And with the expected heavy traffic, particularly at the worksite and adjacent roads, the palace is urging the public to bear with the inconvenience. Elena Luna filed this report.
Malacanang is appealing to the public for understanding as construction begins for Stage 3 of the Metro Manila Skyway. Roadwork for the elevated highway from Buendia in Makati City to Balintawak in Quezon City is expected to slow down traffic flow.
I think we're in a situation right now that we're going through kumbaga the birth pangs. Talagang we have to go through it when we ask the public for some understanding. We will do our best to inform the public, to find ways to mitigate the traffic situation if necessary, to find alternate roads.
The 14.8-kilometer road will link NLEX to SLEX, or Northern Luzon to Southern Luzon. Once completed, travel time from Makati City to Quezon City will be reduced from 2 hours to 20 minutes or less. The palace is calling the public to share in the burden of sacrifice and bear with the short-term inconvenience.
If you remember, that's also the concern of the President in every infrastructure project. Ang concern niya also is the riding public. Let's try to mitigate the situation as much as possible. But again, we would ask for support from the general public. In the end, this will benefit us in the long run. It's just that we who are traveling or traversing those pathways will be bearing the traffic lang. So we ask for some understanding.
To ease traffic, there is a proposal to have a 4-day school week in Metro Manila. While CHED is studying the matter, presidential spokesperson Edwin Lacerda says traffic will be decongested when students take their summer break.
So we will have some reprieve. We're moving towards summer, so by that time, perhaps there will be time for them to study the matter, and then for those who are moving towards the August school start, there will be some reprieve for a big number of students who are students of those universities.
For the People's Television, Elena Luna.